Wait a final decision from the FDA on the EUA for the Moderna vaccine. There are questions about the ongoing rollout of the Pfizer vaccine.
States were told to expect fewer doses in their next round of shipments because of production issues at Pfizer, but the drug company released a statement disputing that. CBS 4's Ty Russell is in Miami with more. Ty.
Yeah, Lauren and Elliott, tonight the company Pfizer is pushing back against people like Governor Ron DeSantis. The governor and others previously said that the company was having some production issues, which is why we won't be getting what was expected next week, the number of doses. However, the company is saying not so fast. That's not true. And tonight we even talked to the White House about those changes. Florida is getting ready to receive more coronavirus vaccine next week. It's meant to first protect frontline workers and those in long-term care facilities. But the number of vials is less than what Governor Ron DeSantis says he initially expected.
Have kind of dialed it back. I think they're working through some production issues.
That's what he said Monday about Pfizer. He kept saying it Wednesday as well. Since then, on Thursday, the company fought back against those claims. A Pfizer spokesperson said Pfizer is not having any production issues with our COVID-19 vaccine, and no shipments containing the vaccine are on hold or delayed. A spokesperson went on to type, "We have millions more doses sitting in our warehouse, but as of now, we have not received any shipment instructions for additional doses." Nearly 24 hours after our request for clarification from the governor's office and state health leaders, the Florida Department of Health told us this afternoon the state of Florida was planning to receive approximately 205,000 doses in our week 2 allocation from Pfizer, as indicated by the federal government. We are now projected to receive 127,000 doses from Pfizer in week 2. Since there is a push to quickly allow all seniors 65 and older in Florida to have access to the vaccine, CBS 4 News then asked the White House why there's a change. The deputy communications director says the initial number was based off of an estimate, but he says since Pfizer produced half of its estimate for this year, that means numbers have slightly changed for states like Florida.
And there's a difference between the early planning stages and then the actual allocations that are going out. Early on, Pfizer had reported up to 100 million doses being available this year. We now know that the production schedule has changed a little bit. There's about 50 million doses available.
And the state is not only expecting a shipment next week from Pfizer. If everything goes well with the Moderna vaccine, the state will also expect roughly 300,000 plus of Moderna vaccine around the state. Now, you're asking, why is this all important? Because the more doses we have right now, the sooner we can open it up for the seniors who don't live at nursing homes statewide. We are live tonight in Miami. I'm Ty Russell, CBS 4 News.